welcome to another video. So hi. Gas says hi as well, but because we're Mr. Happy.
Hi.
I'm
tired.
The fireworks.
And I'm creating images with an app.
Oh.
I put hamster in, but it gave me a terrifying annoying hamster, so I'm trying to redraw it.
On the plus, we were all up, weren't we, everyone? Right and early.
Yeah, that's why I'm tired.
Did you get to the allotment and enjoy the weather? Doesn't look too bad today.
Weather's beautiful, guys.
And see what we can actually get done today, like bring the allotment on a little bit.
Yeah, we'll try and make it look a little bit nicer again.
Yeah, it needs
Always
some love.
pushing for them minor improvements.
Yeah, it's going to be, like we said, it's going to be a project. But guys, keep on watching to see the progress of week 2.
Oh, wow.
So today, we're back at the allotment. Can we work this area? We're looking to put in the polytunnel that we've got. We brought someone. I don't think our little areas could hide as well, but one of them's done well, the other one collapsed a little bit. Hey Maggie, so needs just some fixing up there.
I'm going to be along the way here.
You're going to be along the way. The bed's still looking good.
Yeah, I need you to be
The boys hard at work for their pond area, hey guys. Gab's just trying to figure out what he's doing over there. Hey Maggie, what do you think of this allotment? Good for you? And our bushes. Wonder what these are. Let's have a look.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell.
It's up. It just needs securing now, doesn't it?
Can I show you my picture back?
Go on then, Emily's bought something. Kiss.
So this is how it looks like.
Oh, that's a lovely house. Has it got a lovely garden at that lovely house?
And then
The
this.
sunshine, we need sunshine, don't we? So we don't get wet.
I made it like a
Yeah, very clever.
But somewhere down the line,
circle line.
we changed and we grew.
Well done, yeah.
Out of touch as time goes by.
Got some more to still out of the way.
Holding on.
Yeah.
I know that it's time for me to
Lots and
let
lots. That'll
you
keep you busy,
go.
won't it?
I know that it's time for
Probably
us to
doing this
part.
all day.
Though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore.
That bed, I decided just to leave that one's doing okay. Growing. Starting with the big bed. Guys, if you're finished, can you put the tools away, please?
I'm going
strawberries. So guys, that's a wrap for today's vlog. Yep, so made some more progress. It is slowly but surely starting to come together. Still trying to envision what it's going to be like long term, and it all looking pretty and nice. I know not all allotments end up looking pretty, but they need to be, want it to be as productive as possible. But it was great to get the polytunnel on. We managed to get that. Someone was selling it on Facebook Marketplace because they no longer needed it, so that was awesome. And guys, if you are enjoying this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment how your day's going, how your Sunday's been, how your weekend's been. If you're doing an allotment, how your allotment journey's going, how your expat journey's going, because we're still new into the journey of being in another country, but you know, still have our ups and downs, but we're here. The weather's turned, unfortunately. That's why we're now home. Gavin, the kids are in the spa, just living the best life, hopefully. But yep, so Miss Maggie, our little allotment dog, is fast asleep. She seems to like the new polytunnel because it's nice and sheltered and it's warm. Yeah, got to get some ideas up for that because we put it over a bed, garden vegetable bed. So I put a few little seedlings in that I had already started growing, so we'll see how they go. But yeah guys, thanks for watching and have an awesome rest of your day. See you later. Bye.